Expansion and reliability of electricity transmission. The 1000 kV transformer in Maidan Shar will provide electricity to over 1000 new customers for the first time. The Afghanistan Breshna Sherkat, in a significant step towards strengthening Afghanistan energy infrastructure, has successfully completed the installation of a 1000 kilovolt ampere transformer in Maidan Shar. This development is considered a fundamental and essential step towards strengthening reliable electricity services across the region. This transformer has been completed by the Afghanistan Breshna Sherkat at a cost of 9.5 million Afghanis. Alhamdulillah, our operational team from Maidan Breshna department has assembled, installed and prepared this transformer for operation with our own capacity. Installed entirely by the Afghanistan Breshna Sherkat own skilled technical team and in full compliance with rigorous engineering and technical standards, the new transformer is now fully connected to the central substation. As a result of this advancement, more than 1000 new customers will benefit from stable electricity for the first time. Additionally, beyond expanding access, this new transformer will also ease pressure on the existing grid, helping reduce overloads and improve overall service reliability. In the current situation, we are given the opportunity by the Breshna Sherkat to install this 1000 kilowatt transformer. This is a major achievement for both the people and Breshna Sherkat. We are very happy and thankful that they serve us day and night, consistently doing their work properly and delivering electricity to us. The Afghanistan Breshna Sherkat, in line with its commitment, continues to implement large-scale projects to strengthen electrical grids and ensure the stability of country's energy sector. These efforts aim to expand electricity transmission not only to cities, but also to districts and remote areas, ultimately increasing the overall access to electricity across the country.